Sky, are you alone? The only gift you have to bring forth things for your family. That are your gift, Sky. The only gift where you have to keep your crutches in the family. You a girl with all on last name like Tina Turner. The only thing Tina Turner walk out of the courthouse with no money, no clothes, no shoes, no car, no house. She walk out with her last name, Turner. Turner. Are you that? Me don't know what wrong with you and different name, but you like your name. Apple shouldn't bother wash out her tube because the man not even want she nor the baby. And SkyDiamond come about me, it hot when a man don't want you, now where you plan for use and hold him. The man don't want you now your baby. You know here a second room at your address. And you can't lick on the wall because him not like you. So don't even bang on the wall. Them no want the truth lick them. Stay upon on the life I argue with me. I'm not upon my life I argue me in my yard a fight. So I can't fight in a phone yard. Why Sky have to leave for your program come over here? Why? If everything when I talk did connect on wouldn't have to leave phone program come over my program. I think me will leave my program come over phone program. I mean know everything when me attack I shoot out. A gunshot and board box. Eh? What SkyDiamond say about my cousin and my cousin what? What SkyDiamond say about my cousin? SkyDiamond you make up story. What SkyDiamond say? About my cousin what? SkyDiamond you make up story man. Yeah she. You make up as you go along. SkyDiamond say my cousin sex me and make me turn batty man. My cousin SkyDiamond have sex me make me turn batty man. Then SkyDiamond from a swing off a dry clit. Me know about him I want drop on. For me swing off a dry clit. Or one thing with me, my family them never play in my body yet them don't know my sweat. Don't reverse this. Your father breed and you have evidence. So if anyone of my family them play with me, me have no evidence. Don't reverse this. You sound like Shane of the cussing. Me can't cuss with you know. We can't cuss with Nina, honestly. Wanna stay so? You know you have evidence from daddy semen. You know you have evidence from daddy semen. And you want to project yourself by me. SkyDiamond wheel and come again. Me I cuss you with facts. Stop cuss me with fiction. Wheel and come again, my baby. You sound like Shay. Yeah, and you have a cousin will tell me to stay far from him. You know me have so much cousin we wanna know. Oh, me have so much cousin we wanna know. Explain all of this. Storyteller. And if my cousin even touch me, that means same want me. Can you call daddy who spot you? Give me the name of my cousin who touch me and make me call him. Because I don't know which one I'm not talking about. Anyone wanna give me I call him. When I'm not AIDS, I have a family that touch me. When I'm not family that touch me, nobody know what. Make up on the mind and place me. I want to make me can't graduate, you know. Not even a report me can't get. I want to make me can't graduate. Oh no. When just have me fling me all over. Hello, my stationary. And yeah, come about me. You could have preached about Apple a dirty girl. Apple a dirty girl. Just like you, SkyDiamond. You a factory fault. Uno a factory fault. So I don't know where I say. And I broke and mash up again. Oh, na bills no go along. Oh, I not broke and mash up. You and Apple come eat up my bottom. Put my bottom and Apple name together, you get Apple bottom. Sky, bring your son, bring daddy's child to the forefront and make everybody see how you keep things in the family. Bring Mr. Royalty come. Bring little Prince Charles come. And that we want to talk about, Sky. We don't want to talk about nothing else. Bring your bro son come. Your bro son, your brother and your son in a one. Hmm? Bring him come from you can't bring him you nah send you nah say nothing. You're the only girl on the live where we know you do man and do girl. You can't use your money and buy one for them disappoint you like Apple. And man, you see the difference? All of the girl them when man 8 group up. You, cute boss, Apple. All on the group up, Zandrama, all I want to group up. Man no want uno. Man want look. Man want what? Uno buy man, you know. Uno pay for man. When last a boy fly uno out? So blow, me not supposed to live on a life, you know. Me not supposed to live on a life. Me not supposed to do that. Then Sky and me really stop it in the night. You see, I want to luxuriate in my bed. I want to luxuriate in my bed, you know. Eh? Man eat, you know. Man eat the group of the collection, you know. All I want to put together can hold a boy, a son, a youth, or a man. Huh? This Sky and a Mia come out. Girl, bye. You live a foreigner, you're miserable. Wanna make the pilgrim runner look better than you. Stop it, man, Sky. Sky. I'm a natural look this, you know. Show me yours. Show me yours. You have everything for step on me. Show me your natural look. Me not have no filter. My beard from morning. Show me your natural look. Dirt a reason with me now. Show me a natural look. Beard lizard. Show me a natural look. I want to sleep and look better than you. I say if me know me ugly than everybody in the world, I know say I beat you. I know say I look better than you. So you're the yeah. Show me a natural look before you argue with me. That's why I tell you say the only thing Apple have in her head is a picket fence. A big teeth, them will favor picket fence. When Apple talk, me I say, it come like me I sleep and I say sheep I jump over the fence. The only thing Apple have in her head is a big teeth. Why you never tell Apple say that boy you don't want her? Why you never look out for Apple from day one? Why cute boss never look out for Apple from day one? Why none of you never look out for the mind man from day one? Why the whole of you come attack now that she drop on her bottom? Why? Why the whole of you have to say you have to group them up 2-2 and cuss them? Go group up your son and your father. Go group up your son and your father. Here? Go and group up your son and your father. And bring them down for taking your pride and your dignity. You can't happy again, you know, because every time you smile at daddy, you remember. Then what you put on the farm? When you fill out farm, them not ask if you're married when them hear the same last name from the youth. Them not ask if you're married because you and your son have the same last name. I just want to know how you feel out farm before I go to my bed. I have the same last name, I don't puzzle the people. Why you open your mouth for Sky? You don't only disgrace me sick swing pan pole and come off with nothing. Why you do that for? Come at me walk go up to the White House. I want to see how brave you be. I will not forget the White House. I could go to ICE office. Can remember you say you're legal, you know. So we want to go to ICE office with them check out your background. Are you free? Just asking. Come tired you know. Are you free? Go hug your little boy with your father give you. Go hug your little boy because your daddy soon dead. And your memorial that daddy leave with you. Go hug your pension. Daddy leave the will with you. Well, everybody will come from a liar. You won't drop out of your hole. Well, everybody will come from a liar. You won't drop out of your passage. And you want to argue with people. Your son's supposed to eat you and your grandfather / daddy. Eh? You see, you know, say, all along me hear people say, that's my granddad. I'm always say, oh, I'm mother, father, I'm father, father. You know, are you of the perfect example and meaning of granddad? You, SkyDiamond, have the perfect example of granddad. Now ask you, when anybody asks, why them call this granddad? Check SkyDiamond. The little boy grandfather is him daddy. You is him sister and him mommy. A whole heap of family did this. Is a whole heap of people that, you know. I wonder if the lady understand. Miss for swing pan pole. You understand says a whole heap of people that. Then when the little boy go up now home for think, him can't function. Him brain mash up from a fetus. Then you really lay down till daddy come. You wicked to mommy. SkyDiamond need envy your mother. I used to take mommy, man. Long time SkyDiamond lick down family, you know. SkyDiamond them for call your crutches family album. Them for open your foot and look on the different relatives them. You know? She have arthritis in her back for a young girl, make she have to lay down with everything with stiff. Me say anybody want know what's a granddad, check SkyDiamond, son, ask him. A theme father and grandfather. Then this is really Sodom and Gomorrah, you know? This is when time the Bible full and can't full no more. Then you can imagine when SkyDiamond open for her foot for shave. She must not do it in front of mirror. Because any how she ever open her foot, she go see her family them face. SkyDiamond walk with a family plot underneath her. And under this of them bury the members. And then you really want to come by me, little girl? Go hug your son with daddy girl. Go hug your son, the world had done. Go make amends. Go make an amends. Go tie strings. Go hug your little boy, daddy give it to you. That's your will and testament. Daddy don't know how long him gonna live. Who better to bring on him seed than you? Are you start the next generation? Jesus. Sky, are you start the next generation for daddy, you know? All daddy are going still a build a generation out of you. Me da hug you, Sky. Me da hug you and give you $100. Me da hug you and give you 2 bills. And say don't do it again. Don't do it again. Me da hug you. SkyDiamond, how the relationship with you and daddy now that the baby born and the navel string bite and him a grow? How the relationship between you and daddy? Him follow you go 6 weeks clinic. All him supposed to shame me. Me say me always a able granddad. Me always a able granddad and couldn't understand what's a granddad. What's a granddad? I couldn't understand it until SkyDiamond open her foot. SkyDiamond here come by me. Me done class and wrap up Apple. Number 1, Apple man too soft with the with Chica. Apple look like a rugby player. The man look like same the Cosmo. It look like same no for cream ear and cane it. Me nah ask you, Apple man softer than her and you a defend Apple. I tell you say no for no girl kill is pan the app, you know. SkyDiamond, me and you know say me and you and God and the children in England know say Apple man never want time. Me and you and God and the children in England know say Apple did a mind the boy and the boy a cuss Apple all in a bed him turn back the Apple. Apple can never get her hugs until she get the next room. At the next room the boy give Apple lucky say she have shelter over her head. Cause then come here and SkyDiamond, you come out here defend Apple, you can't tell Apple about her ear. You can't tell Apple about her synthetic. Mr. The woman head upset me, you say. Then why Apple must wear bad ear? And you come out here say, you not like Apple, you know? None of you don't like the lady. Not one of you don't like the lady. Mr. When I say Apple ear, I understand why Apple man gone. Then Apple, you can't buy man and you can't buy wig. You can buy man and you can buy yourself a sensible wig. Them girl out here where defend you don't like it. Cause the first thing me I tell you, girl, take pride in yourself. If a them boy you want, try go be a Nini Leaks. Go fix yourself. Go fix you make all Ivan do a body out of your money. You know, sister, the girl them I use you. Lord, my body. When me any say, you know, sister, the girl them a use you, and them something me a talk about. Look pan SkyDiamond, as ugly as she be, she try by a good ear, she try by a good wig. Eh? Look pan cute boss. Look pan cute boss body sick my stomach, you know, sometimes me have to pinch myself and say, hi girl, remember Yana man. Cute boss body sick my stomach. Me I wonder if them girl get kissed when them are sex. Honestly, because them mouth no palatable at all. Eh? No, honestly, I look at me and a man, you know, cause cute boss would have changed me. Any old me I did a real youth. We said do pum pum and so. Cute boss, I'm look on cute boss, a straight bottom me that go. Straight bottom. Yeah. Yeah, when she say, nah, give me the body, me just say, no, me I make it fly high in the sky, let the whole world know, let the whole world know, let the whole world know. She say, nah, give me the body. Me say, no, me I make it fly high in the sky, let the whole world know, let the whole world know, let the whole world. No. Me not tell no lie, on a train man for be batty man. On a unappealing for females. Now ask on unappealing, Sky, Apple, Zandrama, Cute Boss. Put the whole on together. Wanna really turn on cocky? I must from some homeless. A homeless alone that stiff up half a uno. None of you never look on Apple and say, Apple, your man look better than you. Then look up at your ear for chicken breast. Oh, it trashy so. Apple a synthetic you wear. Apple you can't go in the sunlight with them area. Apple you not afraid your head catch. Or them something just melt by your head like socks. Me say when I see the woman ear, me have to say, Jesus Savior. Then Apple if you're ugly in the ear, so when you take it off, oh you look, you're not supposed to have no edges. Jean-Wick, you there? All of una girl. When in the early 30s and late 30s and God knows, God believe me, Sister Winnie walk out pan them, me not tell no lie. And then SkyDiamond want come enough up herself with me. Sky go look for your son now, him fully immunized, like him have daddy blood. Him fully immunized, like him have him grandfather daddy blood. I don't know where to place the man. Sky, you see the man where you breed for, which is your father, him have dual citizenship in the argument, you know. A dual citizenship the man have. You never know. The man I walk with him 2 passport them. Come in and understand how you get daddy body inside of you for relax till it vomit. And create something. This hurt me. Anything when me can't figure out hurt me. Yeah, she bring forth her bro son. That's your brother and your son in one. And him have the granddad. It's his grandfather and his daddy in one. Sky your family full. Phone registration supposed to easy. Phone registration and signing up supposed to easy. All of them have the same last name. Yeah, full family. And that you call family feud. You can't imagine all the grandchildren them have the last name. All the grandchildren them have the grandfather last. How you work out that? So on the plan for go outside. So explain this to me, Sky. So when you want to run out on a bag about me, Sky, let me tell you this. You can't come out about me. Because as much as I suck with my name in the good book. My name in the good book. As much as sometimes I smile when I see all the balls in them 2 sides, you like mint ball. My name in the good book. So it's when you come about you, me not get no lion from Apple. Me not even know Apple from Adams, much less Eve when Steve me used to grind. Where Apple have figure, where Apple money curse. Apple money curse. You never know that? Remember Obia Apple come out here come buy from Rosalie for wash out her tube for give the man the baby where him now look pan. Figure out that and get back to me. Don't bring diamond, better you bring figure it out. I said figure it out. Yeah. I said figure it out. Don't bring diamond to me. So we are try say, me no share where you and I can go down the pole road. Me no go down pole road with girl. But just draw from my handbag and take out my body dem and hype and uno. Do uno have any cocky? No, uno have none. SkyDiamond for me, you there foreign until now, no man no at least apple buy a man. Go and buy somebody. SkyDiamond, I will pick this up back with you tomorrow, you know. Oh, cause remember I got a flight. I got a flight. I catch one today and I catching one in the morning. What you catching? Feelings for apple. I got a flight. Can you walk past ice? Or you can walk past icy. Coming up to one. Put in the hard one. Can you? Just checking. But I got a flight to catch in the morning. Tomorrow you guys will see me somewhere different. Alrighty? I know some of this somewhere different already, don't? I just leave Atlanta today. Sky, can you do that? You're stagnant now, blow. From your father push him out in a one place. I want the stoplight. I want the pedestrian and you're not cross. I want the white line in the road. I want the hot girl we can't move in a mobile. I just that I want to ask you. Sky, anyways, me go rest my beauty. Cause me no cutie. So me go rest my beauty. Yeah. I'm just glad you get the message. I'm interrupt you tonight. But anytime you class me, always remember my voice in your head that say, we bro son. And have you check on grandpa? Have you check on granddad? Just always remember those two words, bro, son, and granddad. And you alone create magic. Sorry. And you alone create magic. And you alone, the only gift you have to bring forth things for your family. That are your gift, Sky. The only gift where you have to keep your crutches in the family. You a girl with all on last name like Tina Turner. The only thing Tina Turner walk out of the courthouse with no money, no clothes, no shoes, no car, no house. She walk out with her last name, Turner. Turner. Are you that? Me don't know what wrong with you and different name, but you like your name. So Sky, anytime you chat me again, and anybody that on Sky Live, just ask her, say, every time you call Shebada name, you remember granddad and bro son? You should. You should. Apple kill is with her hole and she kill is with her purse. Apple kill is two-way. And that's why the third way, no man no want her. Always remember that. You want Apple swing in the same boat, man eat or no. Man eat or no. Me can't say so for me. Man eat or no. Apple shouldn't bother wash out her tube because the man not even want she nor the baby. And SkyDiamond come by me, it hot when a man don't want you, now where you plan for use and hold him. The man don't want you now your baby. You know here a second room at your address. And you can't lick on the wall because him not like you. So don't even bang on the wall. I know them little feeling that the man here to come home because this time address he gotta. You and Apple don't make 0.5. For a rich girl you can't buy a man. You can't even buy a friend. Cause you quint them turn against you. For a rich girl, Apple what you do? Cause SkyDiamond just broke it so you drop on your face now and you not have it. SkyDiamond bust it so you dip on your face now. Wait till you come up back. 7 times rise and 7 times fall. Would be as a terrible something to eat. Well, and then somebody says she asked the man to use the bathroom to bathe the baby. Yeah, and him tell her boil water. And then they said the man wicked though, but you remember say her Obe she use and wash out her hole. The man not have no tie to it. Apple wicked girl. Apple wicked girl. Wicked girl. You come wash out your hole for the man breed you. And now the man now look on you now the picnic. It simply means that the man never want to breed you. So how you got pregnant, Apple? Because that's another story. How you got pregnant? Because if you have to come behind the man back for come wash out your tube because you can't breathe. Because remember say in a you them build birth control. And in a you them build contraceptive. You know? So how you get pregnant to the point where the man now look on the baby because the man couldn't tell you say he want a child and until you boil water and put the baby in. It's chicken foot you bring. It's chicken foot. Make the man tell you for put on water and put the baby in it. A chicken foot. Me just ask. Cause everybody knows say hot water get off the skin off a chicken foot. But can you? Thank you, my baby. Thanks again, my baby. Thank you very much. No, it's true. And everybody gonna say the man wicked. But everybody if you remember say Apple come to Jamaica, come make Rosalie, make Obe man wash out her tube and go back up, go breed. Go back up, go breed. Nobody don't know if you bring a little D, man. No say all of them disrespected. So when you come out to defend, the man never just get up on this Apple, so. The man did not get up on this Apple. The man is tired of Apple. The man tired of Apple. And that's when he eat. Man eat in a real life and fake life. Yeah, the man wants strawberry, but that take all a lime. He might take all a lime or a sour orange. The man wants something different. Apple go. Exactly. The man never want you from morning, Apple. And you still a come out here try bring down the man. The man never want you. The man all pull the door and make the video. If you wanna leave, go on through the door. The man say one monkey don't stop this show. And your body here make him a call you monkey and your big teeth. And your body here and your big teeth make the man say as a ooh ah ah ah. So all the money where you have the man still say a monkey. Uh-oh. Just like how SkyDiamond killer dead. She a mention and everybody see her as a little iguana. The first time I see SkyDiamond, I ask her if she come from Cayman. I say no Filipino no see her yet. Can that be a meal? Why SkyDiamond just take a trip, go to Thailand, where them cook different things, because I know she wouldn't make it back. And yeah, come about me, SkyDiamond. Me the last one you should have come about. You know, from when you sit down on the upper try dig up things about me. Dig up the body them. The prison go call the boy them and ask them, say, when you and Shebada grind him all it big, them would say, but me love it. Cause it big and come with a comforter. Now come about me SkyDiamond. You not have no punani. Your pum pum so good and woman know why your man know why your father alone need you. Me say the girl have the will and testament underneath her. Your father will a youth to you. Your father, daddy will you a youth. But me not cuss you no more. Come here, go lay down here, my baby. Not cuss you no more, you alright. Yeah? You're okay. So I'm not gonna argue with you anymore. But Sky can't cuss my about. Sky can't argue with me. Me make them girl make a dollar them walk and tell the universe. So when them broke everybody know. Cause them stop talk. Oh, so what Sky can't talk about. Me say Sky, cute boss, Zandrama, Apple, a three worthless lady that. Them worthless like, you know them coming like happy wife sickness. I saw them worthless like happy wife sickness. Like the sickness that she have. You see it make she lay down. Yeah man, I want lazy sickness. I saw. You not tell, hey, you see at this with women, you know, them not tell females the truth, you know. Them walk and support females. You know why? Only for come back, come class them about the same thing with them support. True or false? Remember me, the defend you when your man left you? Huh? And this lizard looking girl, I come a jump up. I force me see lizard in her pumps. I force me see lizard in her pumps. Them donkey said the world na level, you know. And the world na level for true. And the man will interpret the donkey. I want to buy him something for drink from me young. Cause that puzzling to me, donkey said the world na level. And when me see SkyDiamond, I realize where the man attack a true. Cause me see lizard in her pumps. SkyDiamond, come here. You know, say Richard broke a boy. If you put me and you out a road now, man would take me over, you ask any boy. Then I say, Jano, give me Shibi. And now what I wanting about give me Shibi. Huh? So me I get picked unwillingly. Willingly and unwillingly. SkyDiamond asks anybody on the app, if me and you stand about a road for man, look any of us, and me man would go away with you. Little and cutie. Little and cute. Remember me have no belly where I block my pony? Little and cute. Can't hold in a hand, me girl. Boy will settle down with me. The man eat apple wig. The man can't understand apple wig. And the wig the man can't understand. Anyways. SkyDiamond, how should I give $1,000? SkyDiamond can't give me $1,000. SkyDiamond can't give me $1,000. SkyDiamond go call daddy and give him the alright, forget about him. She forgot call her son, brother. You know what, I can't bother figure out SkyDiamond life, you know? Yeah, you my people. We never blessed night, yeah, man. We never blessed night. Have a blessed rotted night. Because this time I mash up my vocabulary. She I forgot call her baby father. Father. Too much father in this, man. Too much father in the speech. Somebody help me up on this. Not like one brighter than me. More somebody help me up. Honestly. I forgot call. But I forget this tonight, you know. So I forgot call. She said to her son, say, go call your father. Your the moment your grandfather. Go call your grandfather. Which one of them? My father. Lord, I can't deal with this. I can't deal with this. I think other people, I cannot deal with this. Look here. Me I beg you now. Please, tomorrow. Me love on you. Me love on you here. Tomorrow, me go rest my big hole now. Yeah, man, make SkyDiamond preach till I wake up. Yeah? Somebody figure it out and get back to me. Don't smart people on my program. Let me tell you, say someone on my program na bright. Look at an easy puzzle like this, una can't get. Remember, me never study puzzle. Me never study puzzle, you know. And an easy puzzle like this, una can't help me out with. You see, that's why I tell myself every day, because I never go in a match. Because I not have no gifter. The same way, I not have nobody bright over here. So, simple things like this, una can't figure out. Is a grandson. What am I anything? Oh Lord. Son. Bro, nephew. No man. If you ever put that on an invitation, people are going to turn you back. You know, they must say they don't want so much people. They did not realizing say I want somebody you talk about. Oh, you mean no leave it? No. There's no polycule dangling on me. The sun is too bright on the inside. Yeah. Sky, my baby. Liquid more. Here, liquid more, and I'll pick up this with you some other times. But for now, girl, I can't be wasting time with non-progressive elements. I'm not on the fridge top now, so I can't be doing this with you. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my beauty nap. I didn't bring my eye patch. Yeah. So it's not like I can't stay up with you because I not have something for put underneath my eyes them here. So it's not like I can't stay up with you. So I'm gonna take a 5. You see, when you can't look clean like me, Sky, you argue with me. I'm not dirty. One is a set of dirty individual. When you can't look clean like me. Love you guys. Little more. Yeah. Little more.